Alright, so if the trade should move a 1-to-1 into profit, then as always move your stops to break even. That is the rules, guys. So let's wait, and our main target will be a 1-to-1 point. What's up, guys? What's up? It's your boy XO, and in this video I'll show you guys a really simple live trading strategy using the EMA, the Fibonacci retracement tool, break and retest, engulfing candlestick, price action, technical analysis, and all those good stuff in this video, guys. So watch this video to the end so you get to understand every single little tiny details of my reasons for the trades, my entries, my stops, my targets, and all those good stuff. Guys, will I make a profit in this video? Let's find that out in this video. And also, only a small percentage of people who watch my videos are actually subscribed, so if you end up liking this video, please make sure to subscribe. It's free and you can always unsubscribe. Alright guys, so let me just get this out of the way. This video is going to be a pre-recorded video, so the voicing you're going to be hearing is me talking after I've taken the trades, because it's quite difficult to keep up the pace while I'm trading and talking at the same time. I actually sometimes miss some entries, and it's quite difficult and really annoying, because when I'm trying to explain something, the price just quickly moves and I miss that entry and I have to wait for a new one. So I've decided that I will take the trades, then come back later and break down and analyze and explain to you guys every reasons behind the trades. I hope that's fine with you guys. If that's not fine, then please just drop a comment and let me know, guys. And I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get into the video. Okay, so I saw this beautiful setup at this point, and I got into the trade. And as usual, guys, for a 1-to-1, I move my stops to break even. And stay tuned, I'll be explaining the reason I got into this trade, so you guys get to understand my whole reasons for my entry, my stops, and my targets. All right, so I was targeting a 1-to-1.5 or a 1-to-2 for this trade. So let's just see if the trade ends up being a win. Let me show you guys the reason for this trade. So I saw this highs at this point. You can see this highs at this point, then it came back to retest. So it's kind of like a break and retest of market structure, and the market kind of pulled out from that point. It's pushed a little bit up, and I got in the trade. As you can see, a break, a retest, a market broke out, and the market came back to retest at that point. And the price is above the 200 EMA line, which is a strong buying bias for me. As you guys know, I always like to take my trade in the direction of a trend. So as you can see, the trade is moving in a loss. Oh my god. Let's wait for the result of this trade. Alright, the price is moving up, so let's wait, let's see. And for my stops, I put it just slightly below the engulfing candlestick. So my entry reason for this trade is an engulfing candlestick. I saw that beautiful engulfing candlestick after a break and retest of market structure, then I just jumped in the trade. It's just that simple. So the market is just going up and down. Let's wait. As you can see, it's moving up, it's pushing up. Alright, so as you can see, a 1-to-1 was a hit, and we should close this trade for a break even at this point. So a 1-to-1 was a hit, so let's move our stops to break even as always, slightly above the entry at that point. Alright, so let's wait, let's see. Alright guys, so let's wait and see if this trade ends up being a win. So guys, we've secured a break even on this trade, so there's no worries, guys. If the price should retrace back to the entry, then it's a break even trade. Then we lost nothing and we won nothing on this trade. Alright guys, as you can see, this trade ended up being a break even. As you can see, we got tapped out at that point. So let me zoom in a little bit so you guys can see it. Alright guys, so as you can see, we lost this trade. Look, so this candlestick just came and took us out, and yeah, this trade ended up being a break even on this trade. So alright guys, so it's better to take a break even on the trade than to lose the trade. So move your stops to break even, and So guys, you can target a 1 to 1.5 or a 1 to 2 on this trade. So as you can see, the market took us out and it just went straight into profit. So let's just wait for a new setup and see if we can take more, like just one more trade. Alright guys, so I can see a beautiful setup at this point, so let's just wait and see if we can get in the trade. Alright, so as always, a 1 to 1 for a break even, so let's take the trade at this point. So for a 6.1 pip stop. Alright, so if the trade should move a 1 to 1 into profit, then as always, move your stops to break even. That is the rules, guys. So let's wait, and our main target will be a 1 to 1.5 or that high at that point, or maybe a 1 to 2. Alright, so as you can see, we lost this trade. Price just clearly crashed all the way down, and it clearly took us out at this point. So guys, one win, one loss. That is absolutely great. Alright, so let's see. So guys, very soon I'll be sending out signals to my free VIP Telegram group, and so that whenever I take a trade, I'll send it out to them so we can take the trade together. Just that I just want that Telegram group to hit 100 subscribers before I start sending out signals. So if you're interested, click the link in the description to join the free VIP Telegram group, just to help us hit 100 subscribers. Then I will start sending out free signals like this. Whenever I'm taking a live trade like this, I'll be sending it straight up to you guys, so you guys can follow and catch some free, some free pips. All right. Guys, so real quick, a trade recap. As you can see, I saw this break and retest of market structure at this point, and I took the trade, and unfortunately guys, we lost this trade. So not like we lost this trade, guys, this was a break-even trade, and for the trade number 2 was a clear loss, guys. The trade literally just went straight into being a loss, and that was pretty annoying. So as you guys know, one break-even trade and one losing trade. Guys, so if you want to trade with me live every single day, click the link in the description to join my free VIP Telegram group. It's free, you can always unsubscribe. Alright guys, so if you found value in this video, please make sure to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment on what video you want to see next, and I will try my best to make it. Like I said, you never know guys, this video could change someone's life. I'll see you guys in the next video. It's your boy XO, and I'm signing out. Stay XO.